Hey guys, it's week 3. We just wrapped up the first day of our week. Um, Monday is always coding. So we had about 12 kids today, 13 kids. Um, we started off in a big group and we did our thing where we reviewed. So Glenn jumped right out the gate and just started showing character name and character age, which is a variable, type of variable, string source text. So he was showing the kids that. Then we broke off into our groups. So one took the younger kids. I had my older kids. I had Ariana, Glenn or CJ. I also had Shraddha. I had 10, Leah. I feel like I'm forgetting a kid. That's all I had today. We reviewed character name and character age because Glenn just showed character name, so I wanted to show both variables just to make sure that everybody had an understanding. Everybody was pretty cool with it. Nobody had any questions about it, so they're doing pretty well. The progress I've seen so far has been impressive. They've gone from the beginning program of Hello World, which is the first program at Coders Do. Again, we did Hello Young World. They went from that, and now they're over here coding variables and strings and incorporating it in their code. So it's a pretty impressive jump. Today we did data types, where we learned about char, grade, and INT age, double GPA, bool is female or bool is male. And then we did double GPA too. I don't know if I just said that. So double GPA represents floats. Floats in code are going to be decimals, okay? INT age is integers, so whole numbers. And then char grade is going to be set off by single quotation marks, which only allows you to input one character. So they learned about that, and then we also learned about booleans, which you can do bool is female or bool is male, and then true or false, which will display either the number 0 or 1 on the compiler after you run it. So we showed them that today. Trying to think about what other data types, if I missed any, just about to peek real quick. Little cheat sheet. So they learned about that today and learned about what each data type represents. I'll actually share what we did today on the screen. So we have here our hashtag includes string, and then we included a string phrase as well. I knew I was forgetting something. So we did our string phrase as well, and just showing them again, char grade, single character, bool is male, bool is female. You can do true or false there. So there's the only two things you could put in there when you're doing that. And then INT age, which again, whole number, and our double GPA, which this represents again our floats, which is our decimal numbers. So they just learned how to plug this into their code through the commands. So grade, phrase, age, GPA is male. And they did pretty well with that. They did have a few errors, but they helped each other out. Glenn did a great job of helping out and jumping in. Every one of them did have an error. No one got it perfect, but every single one of them got it to run. So that's what matters. I think their team building skills are improving as well, because the new kids are definitely getting more comfortable in speaking up, as to where week 1 they were quiet. So the third week they're getting more comfortable. I can see it. It's cool to see the growth. Going pretty well. So we did data types. We also talked about the Kahoot challenge, where whoever gets first place, they will get a prize. So the Kahoot challenge is meant to help them review for their quiz, which will be on Monday. So they will have their first quiz on Monday. I am hopeful that they will do well. I'm expecting 90s and above, if I had to guess, or estimate. That's what I think how it's going to go. I think it's going to go really well. Nobody seems nervous about it. Nobody was like, oh no, quiz. Everybody seems pretty confident, so it was a good day today. Thank you so much for tuning in the week 3 summary. I can't wait to see what else they do. I'm so excited to see their continual growth and progress. Thanks. Signing off. Goodbye.